I know from experience that the idea of legal planning is normally brought up by one spouse and sometimes met with hesitation from the other. Look, it's understandable why you or your spouse may feel reluctant. People don't want to consider death or incapacity. Those subjects force us to feel a lot of uncomfortable things and think about possibilities we dread. Unfortunately, even with heads stuck in the sand, we still need to create an estate plan. Whether you need to convince your spouse or need a little convincing yourself, here are some common excuses and responses to the estate planning process. Why do I need an estate plan now? Is one of the most common questions I come across as a will and estate lawyer. While a lot of people wait until later in life to create an estate plan, tragedy can strike at any time. Other people think that you only need an estate plan if you have a lot of money and assets. Without an estate plan, you might not be able to make medical or financial decisions for your spouse due to privacy laws. Tomorrow is not a promise. The best time to plan for your future problems is today. Well, if something happens to me, my spouse will just inherit everything anyway, is another common excuse I've heard to avoid creating an estate plan. It may or may not be true that your spouse will inherit most of your estate. And even if it were, this is not a good reason to avoid planning. Something could happen to both of you. Or if you have minor children, your estate plan lays out your wishes for their care in your absence. Furthermore, there are taxes, court fees, and legal burdens that come without an estate plan. The creation of your estate plan can be an act of love and your chance to make life as easy as possible if the hardest possibility comes to pass. But if all else fails, remember you already have an estate plan, the default plan created by the state. The state takes none of your wishes into consideration, and the process of settling an estate through the courts is longer, expensive, and stressful for loved ones. Your own estate plan overrides that default plan. These are just some of the many advantages you can gain when you create an estate plan. There's no advantage to doing nothing. If you need assistance, our Plano wills and estate lawyers can help you create the right plan for you without pressure. Call our office today at 972-905-4394 to start this difficult but necessary conversation.